Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today I've got to sell this. It's a Yamaha FZ1. Cracking little bikes are these Fazers, really punchy engines from Yamaha. This one's a 2013 or 13 plate, 21,472 miles it's done. It's got a little Akrapovic exhaust on there, also tinted screen, and the biggest thing on this one is it's got a lowering kit on. So for them people who just quite reach some of the bigger bikes, this is probably ideal for you. It's got the Lust kit on there. Let me just turn it on for you so you can see the display. You got a digital speedo there with the analog RPMs. Cracking bike, finished off in black. It's like stealth mode, a bit like Street Hawk. As you can see there, this one's also got the belly pan on the bottom, finished off with the blue inserts and the Yamaha logo in. It is a lovely bike. Well, enough for me jibber jabbering on about this one. Let's give it a start up. Cracking 4-cylinder sound there from Yamaha. Great engines, loads of power, and all the fun you need on a Sunday. Anyway guys, to get it bought, pop down at Jordanbikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.